If you're wondering whether NordVPN or Mullvad VPN is the better option, you're in the right place. Both are popular choices, but they cater to very different needs. NordVPN is often praised for its premium features, while Mullvad is a favorite among those looking for a bargain. But which one is best for you? Stick around to find out. Let's dive right in, starting with pricing. If you're on a budget, Mullvad is going to be the obvious winner. Unlike NordVPN, Mullvad doesn't offer discounts or long-term plans. Instead, it sticks to a flat rate of €5 per month, which is incredibly affordable for what it offers. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to understand. However, this simplicity might not suit those looking for more options or flexibility. Now, NordVPN takes a different approach. While it's pricier than Mullvad, it offers more in terms of features and global reach. For those willing to pay a little more, NordVPN has some of the most advanced security features available. We're talking about features like the double VPN, which routes your traffic through 2 servers for an extra layer of encryption. It also has a dedicated IP address option, something Mullvad doesn't offer. This can be crucial for users who need a consistent, private connection to the web. Next, let's talk about ease of use. When it comes to user-friendly interfaces, NordVPN shines with its polished, intuitive design. Setting up and navigating the app is smooth, and it doesn't take much effort to get everything up and running. Mullvad, on the other hand, isn't as sleek or beginner-friendly. It's very no-nonsense, with a bare-bones interface that might feel like a throwback for those used to NordVPN's modern design. The fourth thing to consider is server count and performance. NordVPN has a massive server network with over 5,000 servers across 59 countries. This means more options for bypassing geoblocks and better chances of a speedy connection. Mullvad, while it offers around 800 servers, keeps it simple by focusing on quality over quantity. Some users may feel that the smaller server network affects performance, but it holds its ground in terms of privacy and security. When it comes to privacy, both NordVPN and Mullvad are strong contenders, but Mullvad truly stands out here. Mullvad is a no-logs VPN, and it goes above and beyond by allowing users to sign up without an email address, just a number. This makes it harder to track who you are or where you've been. NordVPN also has a no-logs policy, but it requires more personal information up front, which might put some privacy-conscious users off. Lastly, let's talk about the speeds. NordVPN is known for its fast servers, particularly in regions like the US and Europe. If you need a reliable VPN for streaming or gaming, NordVPN is often the go-to choice. Mullvad holds up fairly well, but its performance tends to dip when connecting to servers further away, making it less ideal for activities that require low latency. So, which is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you need advanced features, a large server network, and don't mind paying a little extra for them, NordVPN is a solid choice. But if you're a bargain hunter who prioritizes privacy and simplicity over a premium experience, Mullvad could be perfect for you. But here's the thing, after trying both myself, I've found a better alternative for achieving the goals mentioned in the title. If you're ready to step up your VPN game with the best trial and exclusive benefits, check out the link in the description. You won't find a better deal anywhere else.